What is up, people? This is Ron Kamlia, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, first thing first, I just want to thank you guys a lot because we have completed 50 videos on this channel. Yes, we have completed half century, and I just want to thank you guys for that because you guys are just motivating me a lot with all your love and support, and not to forget about the overwhelming comments. So, yes, thank you so much for that. And I won't talk about this a lot, but I really appreciate all the love and support you guys give, and thank you so much for that. And talking about this video, we are going to see top 5 Reebok sneakers which I do love and which are kind of on my wish list. So yes, let's see which are the Reebok sneakers I do like, and if you like any of the sneakers you can go in the comments, you will get all the links for that. So yes, let's see what is on the list, and do let me know if you like any of the sneakers in the comments as you guys always do. So yes, let's start with the list. So first, starting off with Reebok Classic Club C 85, the Kung Fu Panda collab, and this one is in the beige colorway. I guess they have done two Club C's in this collaboration. I do love this one which I'm showing here. This one is in a beige colorway and this looks pretty subtle to me, and I do like that kind of shoes. So yes, I do love these shoes from the day it launched, and that was soon after I bought my Tom and Jerry's. So yes, I didn't purchase this, but yes, I really do like this sneaker and I am waiting for the day I buy this. So yes, this one is a very clean colorway, and as I always say, Reebok does some crazy work on their collaborations. So yes, I do love all their collaborations, and most of the sneakers on the list are the collaborated sneakers with Reebok. So yes, do watch this video till the end. And talking about this shoes, this will cost you 5,599 rupees. The original pricing is something else, that is 8,000 something like that, but there is a sale going on right now on Reebok, so you can get this for 5,599 rupees. And I have one more Club C on the number 5, that is Reebok Club C Hot Ones collab. So Hot Ones is a store or restaurant, something like that. So Reebok have collaborated with them to make the Club C 85, and even this one looks so clean. I do love both the colors, and both the shoes are in kind of off-white colorway, so I had to put them on the same rank, that is 5. And I have not ranked them in any order. It's just 5 sneakers which I love. I guess 6 sneakers. So yes, even this will cost you 5,599 rupees. So now coming to number 4, we have Reebok Classic Assassin's Creed Valhalla CL Legacy. Yes, it's a big name, and if I have pronounced it wrong, sorry for that. But if you guys don't know, Assassin's Creed is a game, and all my gamers out there, you guys know that. So yes, this one is the latest version of Assassin's Creed Valhalla. This will cost you 4,899 rupees, and I guess this is a very good price for this one. And this sneaker looks bulky and sporty and kind of has the runner vibes, but the color blocking on this sneaker is wild and I do really like that. So yes, now coming to number 3, we have Reebok Classic Royal Complete 3 Low. I have shown you guys this shoes a lot of time in my previous videos, and I am showing in this one also. This is a very budget friendly sneaker. This will cost you 2,799 rupees, that is 2,800 rupees only, and this is a very budget friendly sneaker as I said. And this looks very clean, it is very subtle, and it has different colorways in this, but I do like this color, that is that turquoise, bright turquoise kind of colors. And this one is also the most inexpensive sneaker on this list because all the sneakers are expensive, and as I always say, you get very budget friendly sneakers on Reebok. But when I was doing my research on this video, I found that I love all the expensive sneakers from Reebok as well, and I can't help it because it is what it is, and I do love expensive shoes from Reebok, and I don't know why, but yes. So now coming to the fourth sneaker, that is Classic Reebok X Victoria Beckham Dual Coat 2 shoes. So yes, first thing first, I do love David Beckham a lot, and something related to him is very rare in sneaker industry. I'm kind of biased on this shoes because I do love David Beckham a lot, and Victoria Beckham is his wife. So yes, I do love these shoes a lot, but these are unisex shoes, but you will get this only in size 6, 5, 4, and below that, not above 6. So yes, unfortunately I can't buy these shoes, but if you can fit UK 6 or UK 5 or UK 4, anything like that, this is a great option for you. And these are expensive shoes, like 12, 13,000 rupees, but on discount you can get it on 8,499 rupees, which is a very great price for this because they have some premium leathers and different great materials on them. So yes, the color blocking, that black, that gold, the white goes very well with the shoes, and I do really love the shoes, but unfortunately I can't buy it. But yes, I do love this shoes, so I had to put this on the list. So now coming to the last sneaker, and trust me, this is not the least, because this is the most expensive sneaker on the list, and this is Reebok Classic Chromat Instapump Fury. So Instapump is a very classic sneaker of Reebok, and it is a very old model, but now Reebok is pushing them hard, really hard, and they are doing some crazy collaborations on them. And yes, I have never owned the Instapump Fury, and I'm really looking forward to wear this colorway because this is some crazy bright color, and I do love that orange-ish yellow kind of theme on that shoes, which looks like flames kind of. I feel that is the inspiration for this colorway because it looks very similar to fire. If you imagine fire and this shoes, they both look kind of similar, and this shoe is really fire because I do really love the shoes, and I heard that Instapump Fury is very comfortable. So paying 11,199 rupees for this shoe is worth, I guess. I don't know, but this shoe is very fire. You can see the colorways, and they have done crazy collaborations on this as well. They have the Tom and Jerry collab, they have some different collabs, I don't remember the name, but yes, this is a very fire shoes with the fire colorway. So if you guys like this shoes, go in the description, you will find the links, and if you want you can check it out or just buy if there are size available for you. So I'll put some more shoes in the description which I like, but I have not listed them on this video, so if you want to check them out you can. So yes, thank you so much once again for making me do this 50th video on this channel, and thank you so much for all the love and support you guys are showing. Thank you so much for that. I can't really express my feeling, but yes, I'm very grateful and thankful to have you guys. So yes, that was pretty much it for this video. Do let me know how was this video, if you like any of the sneakers or something like that, or if you want me to make a similar kind of video with different brand. So yes, do let me know that. So yes, thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.